Welcome! Today, we'll show you how our Place Mesh feature works. We have a model split into two parts. Our goal is to place connectors to join these parts. We need to add this pre-made cylinder at the corners of our model. In addition, we'll attach our logo to its side. How do we do it? We'll use our new tool called Place Mesh. Let's start by placing our cylinder connectors. To use the tool, select the cylinder in the scene tree, then activate Place Mesh in Mesh Edit. We'll hide the logo for now so it doesn't distract us. How does it work? Once Place Mesh is active, when you move your cursor over any mesh surface in the scene, our connector model highlights in green. That means it's ready to be placed, just a single click does it. We clicked, and the connector was added to the model. What else can we do with it once it's placed? For instance, we can move it around. I click and drag the cursor. We can also rotate it. Hold Ctrl and move the mouse back and forth, side to side, like so. Plus, by default, Place Mesh embeds the model halfway into the surface, but you can move it further down or up by holding Alt and dragging. If you hold Shift and click, the placed model will be deleted. Let's quickly place 4 connectors at the corners. Then, we click Do Union to initiate a Boolean union, and our connectors are now attached to the mold. Similarly, we can create any kind of slots using Place Mesh. For the demonstration purposes, I will use these cylinders again. We step back, place mesh at the corners, then click Do Subtraction. This creates the slots. We reset the previous step once more. Let's add the cylinders again, this time as standalone objects using Add to Scene. Now, we can apply different types of Boolean operations to each connector and each part of the mold individually. We step back again and explore another approach with Place Mesh. We check the box Merge Place Meshes before adding to Scene, then click Add to Scene. Our cylinders are now added as a single group of objects that can be used with further mesh Boolean operations accordingly. Having observed the function, let's accomplish a simple operation. Place the connectors on the lower part, click Do Union, then select both parts of the mold and subtract the upper part from the lower. Now the upper part has the slots, and the lower part has the connectors. Next, we continue working on the lower part by adding our logo. The logo is too large. Let's change its size using Transform. First, we activate Bounding Box to see the object's dimensions. We now have an idea to what extent the logo should be transformed. In the Transform tab, we set Uniscaling and enter in 0.2. Perfect, now the size is reasonable. We turn off Bounding Box, select our logo, and enable Place Mesh. For convenience, we switch to Front View and position the logo nicely. Let's check the result. If everything looks good, click Do Union. That's it, everything's in place. Finally, we group the lower and upper parts together. For the final step, we apply Mesh Healer. Now everything is ready for printing and export.